Okay, so real quick explanation video. I've got this website set up. I can't find my wallet, so I can't buy the domain name, but I'll buy it when I get back in a little bit, and I'll get going on that. So this is all set up. The only thing that's not done is the logos on the bottom, which I will do in a little bit. But I've actually got it set up with Airtable, and I'll send you a link to this Airtable base. I just want to walk you through it real quick. Everything on here is editable by you. So you have no control whatsoever over the style of stuff, but all of the content you have control over. And the way that this works is you just can go, you're going to see this Christmas camp. It'll actually look like this in your Airtable base. You'll have a Camp Rhino thing. Click on that, and then you've got these different options: welcome, main content, contact, images, and footer. And it's pretty self-explanatory. The main image is this picture here. If you wanted to change that, then you are more than welcome to do it. Then we have this main heading, which corresponds to this. You have this welcome message, which corresponds to this. A PayPal link corresponds to this button here and this button there, and it's already working, so I don't see you needing to change that. For main content, that's this here. The instructions box, you can just ignore that. What you need to worry about is this field here, and this needs to be written in Markdown, and you can put whatever you want in here. This is from another church, obviously. But my suggestion, if you don't have a Markdown app that you use on your computer, is to use one called classor.io, which for some reason I always mess up when I try to search for it. Just search for Markdown app, and there's like hundreds of them. I use IA Writer on my Mac, and I use this Classor when I'm writing on my Chromebook. But it's all you need to do is copy and paste the actual text into here. You can put links, images, whatever you want in there. All right. Contact information. This is obviously all your contact information. The only place in this design I have that showing up is up here. And so if they click on this button, it will email you. This button, Facebook. If you put Twitter in there, YouTube, whatever you want, it's going to jump in there too. Images, that's this guy down here, and this is working, so it's kind of cool. Sort of filters through. And all that is you just need to click on this box here, click this, drag and drop pictures into that box. And it's super simple to add images to this. The footer, I've got down here. I don't have this done yet, but you're going to have the opportunity to have images down here that are links. So I've got 3 planned: Camp Rhino, Project North Africa to your site, and then Vision Baptist Missions. And so they'll just be in a row underneath here, and then as it gets smaller, it'll shrink to a column. And that's it. That's the one-page site. So hopefully I will have that domain purchased by the end of the day. And if you're okay with it, I'll just push it up, and you can start sending this to supporting churches and see how many kids you can send to camp this year.